Hi everyone, we're here in Santa Palmia. We're about to view a 2-bedroom, 1,228 square feet. Come on in. This is our beautiful 2-bedroom. Right over here we have located the kitchen area. As you can see, it's kind of like a walk-in kitchen. Stainless steel appliances, microwave, stove, dishwasher, sink. Right over here we have our laundry room. We have full washer and dryer, as well as we do have this little door to block off the laundry room. And there you have it. Right over here, as soon as you walk in through the door, we have our guest bedroom located in here. We have shower sliding doors. And we have this door here that actually gives you access to the guest bedroom. Right here, as you're walking in, you have your sliding door closet on your right, then you have another one on your left. Pretty spacious closet, a lot of space. Right here, we are in the guest bedroom. The guest bedroom here has the sliding doors that go to the balcony. So we have a balcony here. We have some nice storage, as well as this beautiful pool view, as you see here. Right over here, we have this entrance to our living room area. Plenty of living room space. We are on this apartment, it is on the 3rd floor, so we do have carpet all throughout the apartment except bathroom and kitchen. We do have a fireplace right over here. It is electric. Right over here you have a beautiful, beautiful window. Gives you beautiful view to the pool. All right. Right over here, on the other side of the living room, we have our master bedroom. Right over here, we have our walk-in closet. Pretty spacious, plenty of closet room. And we do have our lovely 2 sinks here. And right over here, we have the Roman tub located here. Right behind the door, we do have also a standing shower. Pretty nice, huh? All right, we're gonna make our way out to the living room to show you 2 other nice things about the apartment. We have a computer desk located here, as well as a coat closet right there. So there you have it, our 2-bedroom, 1,228 square footage. For more information, look below. We have our contact number as well as our website. Thank you for watching.